Say good morning. Sir, there you go. Good morning. We had so much fun from the carriage ride to where we stayed. It was beautiful. Staying on the island was fantastic. Just being able to not have to rush around to like check out everything is pretty cool. I was gonna make Mackinac Island the beginning of the last of our Vlogust series, but instead of having 4 videos, I'm gonna have 5 videos. You guys, I just noticed that my roof is fucked. It's not fucked like it's caved in, but there's something going on. When we arrived, but we arrived back home around 8 o'clock because we stopped at Great Lakes Crossing. So when we got home, let me turn on the light. We came home to this. Look at that. It's huge. So you guys, we always had this cat tree in the corner, and the cats have played with it to its end. And so we've been wanting to get a new one, and my mom had this delivered while we were gone. And Bella loves it. And Gita, she's on the very top. And Ello, he loves it too. They all love it. Oh, the upload's complete, yay! I'm uploading the 3rd of the Vlogust series, and then the 4th one will just be Mackinac weekend, and then the 5th one will be this week. So I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogust series. It's the 29th of August! We made it back, and I edited all the footage and uploaded it to YouTube today. I've been editing since we made it back. I pretty much spent all day yesterday editing and looking through the pictures. We still haven't unpacked. If you ever go on vacation, especially out of town, make sure that you take a day in between your vacation and your day back at work. From today's devotional, demonstrate your trust in me by sitting quietly in my presence. Check out our beans. This is the basil.
Oh, which one? The middle one?
Yeah. So we're gonna replant them today into this pot. Don't look in there, just don't look. I mean, it's getting somewhere, but like, yeah. It just doesn't look that drastically different. I'm eating these. They're from Dude's Market on Mackinac Island. It's not that far off from what I was doing, honestly. Don't get on me about still wearing this t-shirt, okay? I like this t-shirt. Yesterday, I was able to finish the 30th issue of the Right to Vote report. This is going to be the last time that the Right to Vote is its own newsletter. I want it to be a magazine. I want it to have more, but it's not quite the case yet. I need to get into the shower and leave. Alright, y'all, I am at the Michigan Works Unemployment Service office. There was a fan in the door with a sign on it that said unavailable, sorry for the inconvenience due to building issues. So we're coming back 1 week later. It smells like food in here. Maybe this is the building issue. Oh, excuse me.
So by that time, the alarm was going off.
What?
Yeah. When I came back to the
Well, yeah, I don't know why I just give it off.
Alright, y'all. That didn't take long at all. I'm going to my parents' house now. I'm at my mom's house kicking her plant. My mama got braids, y'all. I got a cute mama. So because I was in the area, I got a smoothie. My mom gave me a tropical cafe coupon for the price of what a smoothie and a wrap probably would have been last year. It was $9. Back home and I'm exhausted, and it's because of the sun. The sun is so hot. I got my new phone case today, and this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is probably put an underlay so that you don't see that. But look at that. That is my album cover, and that's actually track 2. This year is the year of the blessing. I just want to remind you. So it's late in the evening. I have this flower. I have a lot of, and my cats have been getting into them. So I usually organize them into boxes and bins like this. I have a lot. These ones are crumpled already. I used them in some art. There are a lot more under here, different types. Then there's this little box of them, and then there's this one. This is the one my flowers have been trying to get at, and they already got my baby spread. So this is a flower I bought about a year ago at Eastern Market. My mom gave it back to me. It's so beautiful up in the top. So that's where I'm at, taking it apart. So this is the center. It's possible! It's the 31st. And it's not getting worse. I'm about to replant these. This is it. I got my little Mackinac owl up here. Oh, I was supposed to do a little vlog showing y'all what we got in Mackinac. Ooh, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna replant these items. So we got 2 planted in there. And in my hand I have the spinach, so I'm about to do the spinach. Doing this while I wait for a call back. Oh, this has pierced through the cardboard, which means it's really ready to get out. I'm gonna put this back up on the shelf. Hey! I would like to have this uploaded before the end of today. I'm gonna end the vlog here, but before I end the vlog, I think I wanna show you guys some of the stuff that I got from Mackinac. This is the inside Mackinac magazine that I got on Mackinac Island. This we got from the bed and breakfast that was next to the hotel that we stayed at. On the way to Mackinac, I got this we got in Gaylord from one of the shops on the way. It has a little chipped ear, just like my little Bella Pooh. One in one of the shops and one in the other shop. I got this tea. This is Brain Boost Green Tea. This we got on the island, and I got this ring. I don't wear rings much, but I like that one. And then I got this. It's a fish. It's actually 2 fishies. It's just really, I liked it. Also got, I'm smashing these. They're from Doods Market. They're shaped like 3D fruits. I don't think the flavors are too representative of what they're shaped as. This hoodie, we actually got this on Sunday, the last day that we were there. I knew it was going to be super cold on the boat ride back. You guys see me wearing this in the video when we get off the ferry. My progress.